Hey guys, Frank Redland RV here. So today we're working on an Accu slide cable that is actually frayed, and we're gonna replace it. So first thing you need to do is jack up the slide with a slide out jack, and then move in your slide halfway or about 6 to 10 inches and cut your cable right there. After you cut your cable, go up on top and remove the jam nut right here. Just like so. This is the repair kit that you're gonna use, the cable replacement. There's a number, you want to take a note of that. Then you're gonna remove these. You're gonna get this and put it on your new cable on this end and on the old cable. This collar's too hard to put in because it's frayed. Put a little bit of tape, just a little bit, as you can see, to get this in here. Once you put your new cable on the sleeve and the old one on the other side, just pull it through, guys. So we're just pulling through. If you're having issues with pulling it and this is coming off, you could put a little bit of tape right where the mesh and the cable meets, right there and there. But don't overdo it, guys, because then it won't go into the rollers right there. And do as well, make it easier on you guys, is take this this seal like this. It's just bolted with a Robert's head right here, and then just simply pull up on the cable. While pushing in on the cable from the outside, simply pull up on this cable until it's all the way through, guys, like that. So from here on, it's pretty simple. Just pull it like that, and then just simply take it off of right there. So old cable, new cable. So on the outside, we're gonna remove the old one off of the standoff plate, and we're gonna install the new one onto the standoff plate. Usually a retainer right on the inside. We're gonna put a new one right there, but basically it just pops in. It just pops in, guys, just like so. We're gonna leave it for now. It's just hanging there. It's a really long cable, the new one. So we're just gonna pull it here like this. I'm gonna take the old one off right there. This is the grommet that goes in the inside that keeps that wire from coming out. All right, next up, guys, is gonna have to be, we're gonna have to put this loop on there. So get your cable, the new one, and put it through here, just like so. We're gonna remove all the excess cabling here. There's a lot of cable, so basically we'll put this back in here like so. We gotta thread it in there, guys. So I'm gonna thread it in there like that. I'm forgetting something here, guys. So this goes in between here. I'll show you. This goes in here. You can do it one-handed like that. The other side goes in here like that. what's coming and what's coming. So basically, I threaded this until you can see a couple threads. I'm not gonna tighten it all the way until the slide out. This cable is nice and tugged on the slide out itself. Basically, this is our concept, guys. You're gonna cut the excess cable and you're gonna crimp this joint connector here, just like that, and then you're gonna tighten your jam nut on there. Okay, what it's gonna look like, that's what you need to do right there. So basically that's it right there, and then cut this off after you clamp this on. And I'm going to show you what tool I use to clamp these. This is the tool I use to clamp those. This is what it is. It's just a hydraulic clamp tool. And we're just going to clamp it down, guys. Make sure to put tension on that cable back there, and that's it. That's what it looks all clamped up. Now to cut this wire right here, and then just I'm gonna go and adjust it where the other one was, almost halfway there, and go in and out with the slide and check out that adjustment and the tension on the cable as well. And there it is, guys. Put back your seal here, your channel, the screws on the wall right there. Let's test it out here. It's working flawless, guys. Hey guys, if you like what you saw here, and if it helped you out, please like, comment, and subscribe. Or if you have any questions, comment down below, and I'll answer any questions you have regarding this job. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.